Hardik Pandya and all right, and let's take you across to New Delhi now. We'll show you the visuals of the delegation level talks between India and Bangladesh held at Hyderabad House in New Delhi. The visuals that you are seeing on your television screens. Both the leaders, you can see Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. She's on a two-day visit to India to give a new momentum to the bilateral ties between the two countries. Well, as a matter of fact, Bangladesh is a key partner and trusted neighbor of India. And also, PM Sheikh Hasina's visit will certainly give a major boost to the celebrated bilateral partnership. Also, it's the first incoming bilateral state visit by a foreign leader after the formation of the new government in India following the Lok Sabha elections. These are the visuals on your television screens where you can see both the leaders and also India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. You can see Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on one side and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on the other side. This is the delegation level talks held in New Delhi and in fact in Hyderabad House in New Delhi, capital of India. These are the visuals that we are getting for you. You can also see on screen is India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, also Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina along with other delegates. These are the visuals from Hyderabad House in New Delhi. Remember, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is on a two-day visit to India to give a new momentum to the bilateral ties between the two nations. Bangladesh is a key partner and trusted neighbor of India, and PM Hasina's visit will certainly give a major boost to the celebrated bilateral partnership. Also, it's the first incoming bilateral state visit by a foreign leader after the formation of the new government in India following the Lok Sabha elections. For our viewers who have just tuned into DD India, these are the visuals from Hyderabad House in New Delhi where the delegation level talks between India and Bangladesh were held at Hyderabad House. These are the visuals that we are getting for you from Hyderabad House in New Delhi. You can see Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Well, the Bangladesh Prime Minister was accorded a ceremonial reception at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in the national capital Delhi on Saturday morning. The Bangladesh PM was received by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Bangladesh PM also visited Rajghat and paid floral tributes to the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Well, certainly we showed you the delegation level talks between India and Bangladesh held at Hyderabad House in New Delhi. Remember, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is on a two-day visit to India, and this is to strengthen the bilateral ties between both the countries. The visuals that we showed you were from Hyderabad House in New Delhi. Now, earlier, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi held bilateral consultations with his Bangladeshi counterpart, Sheikh Hasina, in New Delhi. The visuals that we showed you were from Hyderabad House in New Delhi, where you could see Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and also Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina along with other delegates holding the talks. She's here to strengthen the bilateral relations between the two countries, in fact to give a new momentum to the bilateral ties between the two countries. These are the visuals on your television screens where Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, they're having talks. She's on a 2-day visit to India. For all our viewers who have just joined in, who have just tuned in to DD India, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is on a 2-day visit to India to strengthen the bilateral ties between the two countries. And on your television screens right now is Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding a conversation with his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina, and these are the visuals from New Delhi. And the visuals that you are seeing right now from the Hyderabad House in New Delhi, where delegation level talk took place. These are the visuals where you can see Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar along with other delegates. Also Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. She is in India to give a new momentum to the bilateral ties between the two countries. Bangladesh, remember, is a key partner and trusted neighbor of India. And PM Hasina's visit will certainly give a major boost to the celebrated bilateral partnership. She is here to give a new momentum to the bilateral ties between the two countries. These are the visuals that we are getting for you from Hyderabad House in New Delhi, where the delegation level talks took place. And you can see on your television screens Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and also Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina along with other delegates holding conversations. She's here on a 2-day visit, remember, to strengthen the bilateral ties between the two countries. And also, it is the first incoming bilateral state visit by a foreign leader after the formation of the new government in India following the Lok Sabha elections. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding talks with his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina in New Delhi. The visuals are from New Delhi on your television screens. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is here to give a new momentum to the bilateral ties between the new countries. There are several agreements which are expected to be signed in various sectors between the two countries, and the relationship certainly between the two countries will be strengthened after this visit of Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Well, Ms. Hasina was among 7 top leaders from India's neighborhood and the Indian Ocean region who attended the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Council of Ministers at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on June 9. A historic day certainly, and now she's here. It's the first incoming bilateral state visit by a foreign leader after the formation of new government in India following the Lok Sabha elections. Ms. Sheikh Hasina is here in India on a 2-day visit. For all the viewers who have just tuned in, she is on a 2-day visit to India, and the visuals that we are getting for you are from Hyderabad House in New Delhi. You can see Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding conversations with Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Also, you can see in the frame is India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, who also expressed happiness when Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina came to India for this visit of hers. And certainly this visit will strengthen the bilateral ties between the two countries, the cooperation in various sectors, including trade, commerce and security and many others. There are certain MOUs which are expected to be signed between the two nations. And on your television screens, these visuals are from Hyderabad House in New Delhi. You can see in the frame Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and also Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, it is the first incoming bilateral state visit by a foreign leader after the formation of new government in India following the Lok Sabha elections. And Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina was among 7 top leaders from India's neighborhood and the Indian Ocean region who attended the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Council of Ministers at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on June 9. India certainly stands firm on its neighborhood first policy. And remember, These are the visuals from New Delhi. You can see in the frame Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. She is on a 2-day visit to India to strengthen the bilateral ties between the two countries. There are several MOUs, memorandums of understanding, which are expected to be signed between the two countries to strengthen the bilateral relationship between the two nations. As you can see, both the leaders are shaking hands with each other. Certainly goes on to show it's a testament that the relation between India and Bangladesh are certainly on an upswing. They are on a record high when it comes to the ties between the two countries. And few minutes from now, few agreements will be signed between the two countries, which will certainly goes on to show the ties between the two countries, the strong relationship between the two countries, the strong relations in various sectors, be it connectivity, be it defense, and be it other sectors wherein both the countries are standing firm. You can see on your television screens Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Ms. Hasina is here in India for a 2-day visit to give a new momentum altogether to the bilateral ties between the two countries. You can see both the leaders are holding conversations, and few minutes back you saw a frame wherein both the leaders were shaking hands with each other. Goes on to show the strong relationship between the two countries. Remember, it's the first incoming bilateral state visit by a foreign leader after formation of new government in India following the Lok Sabha elections, and she is here in India to give a new momentum, to give a new boost to the bilateral ties between the two countries. A few minutes back we also showed you some visuals from the Hyderabad House in New Delhi, where delegation level talks took place, and in the frame it was Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, also India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Along with other delegates, a pure visual of the strong ties between the two countries. There are some MOUs which are expected to be signed between the two nations, and they would be from different sections, different sectors, including the cooperation, trade, connectivity, and the other sectors as well. The talks between the two prime ministers will focus on taking the bilateral ties to new heights. In fact, the relationship between the two countries is certainly on an upswing, and that we can clearly make out from the visuals that are on the screens from Hyderabad House in New Delhi, where both the leaders are holding conversations. India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar is also present during this delegation level talks, other with other delegates from India and Bangladesh. The relationship between the two countries certainly is on an upswing. For the viewers who've just joined in, just tuned in to DD India, let me tell them that these are the visuals from Hyderabad House in New Delhi. A delegation level talk took place between the two leaders. These are the visuals from Hyderabad House, wherein Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is seen along with the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar.
We have an exchange of document for shared vision for India-Bangladesh digital partnership. The exchange will be done on the Bangladesh side by Mr. Masood bin Momen, Foreign Secretary of Bangladesh, and on the Indian side by Shri Vinay Quatra, Foreign Secretary of India. Sir. I would request the two foreign secretaries to remain standing. Next three documents are also to be exchanged by the foreign secretaries. The next document is the document on shared vision for India-Bangladesh Green Partnership. Next, we have the MOU on maritime cooperation and blue economy. Then we have a renewal of MOU for cooperation in health and medicine. Thank you, Foreign Secretaries. Next, we have an exchange of MOU between InSpace and Bangladesh's Ministry of ICT and Telecom. From the Bangladesh side, may I request Dr. Shahjahan Mahmood, Chairman and CEO of Bangladesh Satellite Company Limited, and from the Indian side, Shri S. Somnath, Secretary, Department of Space. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the exchange of MOU between Ministry of Railways, Government of India, and the Ministry of Railway, Government of Bangladesh for railway connectivity. From the Bangladesh side, the exchange will be done by Dr. Mohammad Humayun Kabir, Secretary, Ministry of Railway, and from the Indian side, Ms. Jaya Sinha, Chairperson, Railway Board. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the exchange of MOU for cooperation in oceanography between Bangladesh Oceanographic Research Institute and India's National Institute for Oceanographic Institute under CSIR. On the Bangladesh side, His Excellency Mohammad Mustafizur Rahman, High Commissioner of Bangladesh to India, and from the Indian side, Shri Pranay Verma, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh. I would request the two High Commissioners to retain their space because we have two more MOUs. The next one is a renewal of MOU between NDMA and Ministry of Disaster Management and Relief for cooperation in the field of disaster management, resilience and mitigation. Next, we have a renewal of MOU for cooperation in fisheries. The last document today is exchange of MOU between DSSC Wellington and DSCSC Mirpur for cooperation concerning military education in the field of strategic operation studies. On the Bangladesh side, Lieutenant General Mizurur Rahman Shamim, Principal Staff Officer, Armed Forces Division, and from the Indian side, Shri Pranay Verma, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh. Thank you, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the exchange ceremony. I now request the spokesperson of Ministry of External Affairs to conduct the remaining of the proceedings.
Namaskar, good afternoon, Your Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Ministers, members of both delegations, distinguished guests and friends from the media. We will now have the press statements. May I request Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to give his remarks to the media. Sir.
Your Excellency, प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना, दोनों देशों के डेलीगेट्स, मीडिया के हमारे साथी, नमस्कार। मैं प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना जी का और उनके प्रतिनिधिमंडल का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। वैसे तो पिछले लगभग 1 वर्ष में हम 10 बार मिले हैं, लेकिन आज की मुलाकात विशेष है क्योंकि हमारी सरकार के तीसरे कार्यकाल में प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना जी हमारी पहली स्टेट गेस्ट है। फ्रेंड्स, बांग्लादेश हमारी नेबरहुड फर्स्ट पॉलिसी, एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी, विजन सागर और इंडो पैसिफिक विजन के संगम पर स्थित है। पिछले एक ही वर्ष में हमने साथ मिलकर लोक कल्याण के अनेक महत्वपूर्ण प्रोजेक्ट्स को पूरा किया है। अखौड़ा अगरतला के बीच भारत बांग्लादेश का 6ठा क्रॉस बॉर्डर रेल लिंक शुरू हो गया है। खुलना मोंगला पोर्ट द्वारा भारत के उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यों के लिए कार्गो सुविधा शुरू की गई है। मोंगला पोर्ट को पहली बार रेल से जोड़ा गया है। 1320 मेगावाट मैत्री थर्मल पावर प्लांट के दोनों यूनिट्स ने बिजली उत्पादन शुरू कर दिया है। दोनों देशों के बीच भारतीय रुपये में ट्रेड की शुरुआत हुई है। भारत बांग्लादेश के बीच गंगा नदी पर दुनिया की सबसे लंबी रिवर क्रूज को सफलतापूर्वक पूरा किया गया है। भारत बांग्लादेश के बीच पहली क्रॉस बॉर्डर फ्रेंडशिप पाइपलाइन पूरी की गई है। भारतीय ग्रिड से होते हुए नेपाल से बांग्लादेश तक बिजली निर्यात ऊर्जा क्षेत्र में सब रीजनल सहयोग का पहला उदाहरण बना है। एक ही वर्ष में इतने सारे एरियाज में इतने बड़े इनिशिएटिव्स को जमीन पर उतारना हमारे संबंधों के स्पीड और स्केल को दर्शाता है। फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने नए क्षेत्रों में सहयोग के लिए फ्यूचरिस्टिक विजन तैयार किया है। ग्रीन पार्टनरशिप, डिजिटल पार्टनरशिप, ब्लू इकोनॉमी, स्पेस जैसे अनेक क्षेत्रों में सहयोग पर बनी सहमति का लाभ दोनों देशों के युवाओं को मिलेगा। भारत बांग्लादेश मैत्री सैटेलाइट हमारे संबंधों को नई ऊंचाई देगी। हमने अपने फोकस में रखा है कनेक्टिविटी, कॉमर्स और कोलैबोरेशन। पिछले 10 वर्षों में हमने 1965 से पहले की कनेक्टिविटी को रिस्टोर कर दिया है। अब हम और अधिक डिजिटल और एनर्जी कनेक्टिविटी पर बल देंगे। इससे दोनों देशों की अर्थव्यवस्थाओं को गति मिलेगी। हमारे आर्थिक संबंधों को नई ऊंचाई पर ले जाने के लिए दोनों पक्ष सीपा पर बातचीत शुरू करने के लिए सहमत हैं। बांग्लादेश के सिराजगंज में एक इनलैंड कंटेनर डिपो के निर्माण के लिए भारत समर्थन देगा। फ्रेंड्स, 54 साझा नदियां भारत और बांग्लादेश को जोड़ती हैं। फ्लड मैनेजमेंट, अर्ली वार्निंग, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोजेक्ट्स पर हम सहयोग करते आए हैं। हमने 1996 के गंगा रिवर ट्रीटी के रिन्यूअल के लिए टेक्निकल स्तर पर बातचीत शुरू करने का निर्णय लिया है। बांग्लादेश में तीस्ता नदी के संरक्षण एवं प्रबंधन पर बातचीत के लिए शीघ्र ही एक टेक्निकल टीम बांग्लादेश का दौरा करेगी। फ्रेंड्स, रक्षा सहयोग को और मजबूत करने के लिए डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन से लेकर सैन्य बलों के आधुनिकीकरण पर हमारी विस्तार से चर्चा हुई। हमने काउंटर टेररिज्म, कट्टरवाद और बॉर्डर के शांतिपूर्ण प्रबंधन पर अपनी सहभागिता को मजबूत करने का निश्चय किया है। इंडियन ओशन क्षेत्र के लिए हमारी विजन समान है। इंडो पैसिफिक ओशन इनिशिएटिव्स में शामिल होने के लिए बांग्लादेश के निर्णय का हम स्वागत करते हैं। हम बिम्स्टेक सहित अन्य रीजनल और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फोरम पर भी अपना सहयोग जारी रखेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, हमारी साझा संस्कृति और वाइब्रेंट पीपल टू पीपल एक्सचेंजेस हमारे संबंधों की नींव है। हमने स्कॉलरशिप, ट्रेनिंग और कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग को और बढ़ाने का निर्णय लिया है। मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए बांग्लादेश से भारत आने वाले लोगों के लिए भारत ई मेडिकल वीजा सुविधा शुरू करेगा। बांग्लादेश के उत्तर पश्चिम क्षेत्र के लोगों की सुविधा के लिए हमने रंगपुर में एक नया असिस्टेंट हाई कमीशन खोलने का निर्णय लिया है। आज शाम के क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप मैच के लिए मैं दोनों टीमों को अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, बांग्लादेश भारत का सबसे बड़ा डेवलपमेंट पार्टनर है और बांग्लादेश के साथ अपने संबंधों को हम अत्यधिक प्राथमिकता देते हैं। मैं बंगबंधु के स्थिर, समृद्ध और प्रगतिशील बांग्लादेश के विजन को साकार करने में भारत की प्रतिबद्धता को दोहराता हूं। 2026 में बांग्लादेश डेवलपिंग कंट्री बनने जा रहा है। सोनार बांग्ला को नेतृत्व देने के लिए मैं प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना जी का अभिनंदन करता हूं। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हम साथ मिलकर विकसित भारत 2047 और स्मार्ट बांग्लादेश 2041 के संकल्पों को सिद्धि तक ले जाएंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. May I now request Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, to give her remarks to the media.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ভারতের মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী শ্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদী, উপস্থিত মাননীয় মন্ত্রীগণ, মাননীয় উপদেষ্টাগণ এবং গণমাধ্যমের বন্ধুরা, ভদ্রমহিলা মহোদয়গণ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, নমস্কার, শুভ অপরাহ্ন। নয়াদিল্লিতে আমার রাষ্ট্রীয় সফরে আমন্ত্রণ জানানোর জন্য আমি ভারতের
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi for inviting me to undertake the state visit to New Delhi.
2024 সালের জানুয়ারি মাসে
This is my first bilateral visit to any country after Bangladesh's 12th parliamentary elections and the formation of our new government in January 2024. I thank the government of India for extending warm hospitality to me and my delegation.
ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। ভদ্রমহিলা মহোদয়গণ,
Ladies and gentlemen,
ভারত বাংলাদেশের
India is our major neighbor, trusted friend and regional partner. Bangladesh greatly values our relations with India, which were born during our war of liberation in 1971.
তা অটুট রয়েছে এবং আমি মনে করি যে একটি মাত্র কারণেই আমাদের দুই দেশের বন্ধুত্ব অত্যন্ত গুরুত্ব বহন করে।
I recall with gratitude the contribution of the government and the people of India to Bangladesh's independence.
তাদের প্রতি আমার শ্রদ্ধা জানাচ্ছি আর সেই সাথে সাথে আমি ভারতের
I pay deep homage to the brave fallen heroes of India who sacrificed their lives during our War of Liberation in 1971.
বাংলাদেশের মুক্তিযোদ্ধাদের সাথে একই সাথে রক্ত ঢেলে দিয়ে আমাদের বিজয়কে ত্বরান্বিত করেছিল। তাদের কথা আমরা চিরদিন শ্রদ্ধার সাথে স্মরণ করি এবং আমাদের এই বিগত বছরগুলিতে দুই দেশের
In recent years, both sides have sustained high-level engagements, including at the highest level.
দৃঢ় হয়নি, আর্থসামাজিক উন্নয়নেও যে সহযোগিতা একে অপরের সঙ্গে আমাদের হয়েছে সেটাও আমি মনে করি যে ভারতের মতো বিশাল দেশ, বিরাট অর্থনীতির দেশ, তাদের সহযোগিতা পাওয়াটা এটা আমাদের জন্য অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এবং এই বন্ধুত্বপূর্ণ সম্পর্কের জন্যই আজকে আমরা অনেক উন্নতি করতে সক্ষম হয়েছি। বরং আমি মনে করি যে সারা বিশ্বে
The Honorable President and Honorable Prime Minister of India
বিভিন্ন জায়গায় যুদ্ধ
visited Bangladesh in 2021
মহাদেশে আমরা একটা
to attend the celebration of the birth centenary of Bangladesh, Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the 50-year celebration of our independence, and the establishment of our two countries' diplomatic ties.
প্রধানমন্ত্রী 2021 সালে বাংলাদেশের জাতির পিতা বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানের জন্ম শতবার্ষিকী এবং বাংলাদেশের স্বাধীনতার সুবর্ণ জয়ন্তীতে তারা যোগদান করেছিলেন। আমি তাদের উভয়কে আন্তরিক কৃতজ্ঞতা জানাই।
My last bilateral visit
কোভিড-19 সেই
to
সময়
India
একটা
in
অতিমারী,
September
ওই সময় আমরা
2022
যখন করি তখন অত্যন্ত সাহসী ভূমিকা নিয়েছিলেন এবং তারা এসে আমাদের অনুষ্ঠানকে আমি মনে করব মহিমান্বিত করেছিলেন। আমি 2022 সালের সেপ্টেম্বর মাসে দ্বিপাক্ষিক রাষ্ট্রীয় সফরে ভারত এসেছিলাম। পরবর্তীকালে
Later, I attended the G20 summit held under the presidency of India in September 2023 in New Delhi as the leader of guest country Bangladesh, the only country from South Asia. I thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India for inviting me to the G20 summit. I am now visiting New Delhi for an unprecedented second time in the same month, June 2024. Earlier, on June 9, I attended with other world leaders the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Modi and his new cabinet. These are testaments to our two countries' close engagement.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi যিনি ক্ষমতায় এসেছেন তাকে আমার আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন জানাই।
My heartfelt congratulations to Honorable Prime Minister for his historic third time as the Prime Minister.
এই ঘনিষ্ঠতা এবং বন্ধুত্ব এভাবেই গড়ে উঠেছে। আজকে আমরা
Today, our two sides had very productive meetings where we discussed politics and security, trade and connectivity, the sharing of water from common rivers, power and energy, and regional and multilateral cooperation, among other issues of mutual interest.
ইতিমধ্যে প্রাইম মিনিস্টার নরেন্দ্র মোদীজি এই কথাগুলি সব আপনাদের সামনে বলেছে, আমি আর পুনরাবৃত্তি করতে চাই না।
Already Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken all these words to you.
নতুন সরকার, আমাদেরও বলতে গেলে নতুন সরকার, যদিও আমরা প্রায় 5 মাস অতিক্রম করেছি।
We are having new governments in both our countries.
নবযাত্রা শুরু হয়েছে উন্নয়নের পথে, বন্ধুত্বের পথে, সেটাই আমি বলতে চাই। বাংলাদেশ আমাদের রূপকল্প আমরা এবার ঘোষণা দিয়েছি।
We agreed to collaborate with each other for the betterment of our people and countries.
আমরা স্মার্ট বাংলাদেশ
As Dhaka and Delhi have started new journeys, we charted the future course of action to ensure a smart Bangladesh by following Vision 2041 and Viksit Bharat by 2047.
আমাদের দুই দেশের বন্ধুত্বপূর্ণ সম্পর্ক রেখে আমাদের কর্মপদ্ধতি নির্দিষ্ট করে আমরা যদি এগিয়ে যাই, অবশ্যই এই সুনির্দিষ্ট লক্ষ্য আমরা অর্জন করতে সক্ষম হব। আজ আমরা নতুন কয়েকটি সমঝোতা
We concluded MOUs, renewed several of them, and made announcements for future collaboration.
যৌথ কার্যক্রম আমরা ঘোষণা করেছি।
Both countries endorsed the vision statement to guide us toward a peaceful and prosperous future. We agreed to have a shared vision for digital partnership and green partnership for a sustainable future.
দুটি সমন্বিত রূপকল্পকে সামনে রেখে কাজ করতে আমরা দুই পক্ষই সম্মত হয়েছি। উপস্থিত
Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh-India relations are ever growing at a fast pace. Today, I held a meeting with Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi where we discussed the ways and means of collaborative engagement between the two countries.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi ke dawat dichi Bangladesh
I am inviting Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to visit Bangladesh.
आइए बांग्लादेश में देखिए बांग्लादेश को कितना कुछ हमने कर पाया और हमने क्या करेंगे। तो আমি নরেন্দ্র মোদীজিকে দাওয়াত দিচ্ছি বাংলাদেশে আসার জন্য।
I would like to take this opportunity to reiterate my invitation to Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to visit Bangladesh to further strengthen the friendly relation of our two countries.
আমি আবারও আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাই।
I extend my sincere thanks once again that in future our two countries will work together, and when Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will visit to Bangladesh, we will take our relations to further heights. Extending my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Today we had a wonderful and fruitful discussion, and in future we will be able to change the future of our peoples and make prosperous and development nation. I thank you all. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu. May Bangladesh live forever. Long live Bangladesh-India friendship.
Thank you, Madam. With this, we conclude the press statements. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated as the dignitaries exit the room.
All right, that was live from New Delhi, where several MOUs were signed between India and Bangladesh, including India-Bangladesh Digital Partnership, Green Partnership, Maritime Cooperation and Blue Economy, cooperation in health and medicine, space, cooperation in railway connectivity, cooperation in oceanography, renewal of cooperation in disaster management, renewal of cooperation in fisheries, strategic cooperation studies. There are several things that PM Modi focused on, including facility of e-medical visas for people of Bangladesh. In fact, he wished good luck to both the teams, India and Bangladesh, who are facing off against each other in today's encounter of ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina also lauded the relationship between both the countries and said that both nations share a great bond. In recent years, both sides got engaged in high-level talks in various sectors. She also congratulated PM Modi for his third consecutive term as Prime Minister of India. Both sides also discussed counter-terrorism, extremism and border issues. That's all in this edition of DD India Live. But news and updates will continue.